This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Marlena Johnson. Check out this beautiful 3-bedroom house in the Huntington Place subdivision. This home has an open floor plan with plenty of counter space in the kitchen. Granite countertops and luxury vinyl through every part other than the 2 secondary bedrooms. These bedrooms are very spacious and the closets have great storage. Huge master bathroom and closet plus a large fenced-in backyard. This one won't last long. Agent C remarks for offer expiration date. For more information, review the details below or contact Marlena Johnson at 501-813-2945.